started something a long time ago and I never got around to finishing it, and it is this, which is, let's move the old light out of the way, this epoxy resin experiment that I did in the summer when we had the heat and it was nice and warm. This is made out of 2 scaffold boards and some old mahogany window frame that I pulled out of Skip, a local shop, when I was throwing it all away. And then I did some epoxy resin layers and some polishing and whatever, blah blah blah. And it has turned out to be very popular. Everyone keeps saying to me, when are you going to do anything with that table? Especially my mum, who keeps nagging me about stuff that keeps cluttering up the house. Because it's not her, not my house, it's her house. Anyway, so yes, next project is we're going to make some legs or frame for this to go onto to make a small table or coffee table type thing. And I've just been down to see my mate the mechanic, John, and Greg, the other mechanic next door, and I've robbed some brake discs and I've been to suppliers to get some rebar and some other bits and bobs. So the plan is to get some cleaning done and do some welding and hopefully make up some sort of frame or table legs for the old Union Jack epoxy resin tabletop. So yeah, let's get going. See you in a minute.